Alright, so I just want to point out on this room, a RUUD RHEEM heat pump. Um, this is the only one of the few manufacturers that energizes the reversing valve in heating mode. So we got B in this case. Most of the time B, the blue wire, will be in C like it's common, but in this case B is to energize the reversing valve, and C in this case right there is the brown one. It's common. So if I was to check between C and blue, I will confirm that I'm having 24 volts. I don't know if we can see it there, but if I was to check this guy and this guy, I have 26.44. So that's telling me that, yeah, our reversing valve is being energized. So just little things like that I wanna start showing. But that's what we have. B in this case is reversing valve, is not orange, and brown is our common. So now it's satisfied.